Hello and welcome back to our channel guys, and today we are focusing on Spain's commanding victory over Georgia that secured their spot in the quarterfinals of the UEFA Euro 2024. This match had it all: an early shock, relentless attacks and a display of sheer quality from the Spanish side. So before we dive in, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell icon for all the latest football updates. Now let's get into the action. Spain head coach Luis de la Fuente played this game with a 4-3-3 formation, in which he started Unai Simon at goal, Dani Carvajal at right back, Lenormand and Aymeric Laporte were the two centre backs, and Marc Cucurella played this game at left back. In midfield, Rodri played this game alongside Pedri and Fabian Ruiz, while in attack, Lamine Yamal started this game at right wing, Nico Williams at left wing and Alvaro Morata played this game as a centre forward. While Georgia head coach Willy Sagnol played this game with a 5-3-2 formation, in which he started Mamardashvili at goal, Kakabadze at right back, Gavlesani, Kashia and Davali were the three centre backs, and Lotoshavili played this game at left back. In midfield, Kaitishvili played this game alongside Kochorashvili and Chakveadze, while in attack, Mikot Adze started this game alongside Kavicha Kvaratskhelia as a centre forward. So guys, Spain vs Germany in the quarterfinals is set to be a thrilling encounter, but let's talk about how Spain got there. In their match against Georgia, the host and the tournament's best team so far showcased their dominance with a 4-1 victory, but it wasn't without its challenges. Spain took a total of 35 shots and scored 4 goals, courtesy of Rodri, Fabian Ruiz, Nico Williams and Dani Olmo. Despite their impressive scoreline, the game was anything but straightforward, especially when Spain found themselves trailing for the first time in the tournament. Georgia, ranked 74th in the world, stunned everyone by opening the scoring after just 18 minutes. Kavicha Kvaratskhelia led a swift counter-attack, resulting in an own goal by Spain Robin Lenormand. Georgia's spirited performance was commendable, and for a moment they dared to dream of an upset. However, Spain's relentless pressure and superior quality eventually turned the tide. Rodri's equalizer just before halftime restored some control for Spain. The second half saw Spain regain their composure and dominance. Fabian Ruiz's header, following a beautiful clipped ball from Lamine Yamal, put Spain ahead. Nico Williams and Dani Olmo then sealed the deal with 2 more goals, showcasing Spain's lethal attacking prowess. Despite Georgia's valiant efforts and some close calls, including a shot from the halfway line by Kavicha Kvaratskhelia, Spain's class shone through. So guys, before heading towards the conclusion, let's take a look at the match stats. Spain took a total of 35 shots, in which 13 of them were on target, while Georgia took a total of 4 shots in which none of them were on target. Spain had 76% of possession, while Georgia had 24% of possession. Spain completed 794 passes, while Georgia completed 264 passes. Spain had 94% of passing accuracy, while Georgia had 79% of passing accuracy. Spain committed 11 fouls, while Georgia committed 5 fouls. Spain got 1 yellow card, while Georgia also got 1 yellow card. So guys, Spain's victory over Georgia was a testament to their resilience and quality, setting up a tantalizing quarter-final clash against Germany. Georgia, although heading home, can hold their heads high after a remarkable journey in the UEFA Euro 2024. For Spain, the focus now shifts to the next big test, but with the form they have shown, they'll be brimming with confidence. So that's all for today guys. What did you think of the match? Can Spain continue their impressive run and overcome Germany in the quarterfinals? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell icon for all the latest football content. Until next time, thank you.